cutting-edge technologies are going to blow your mind, so sit back, give this video a thumbs, and if you enjoy it, hit that subscribe button. First up, we've got the railgun. This is not your typical cannon. It uses powerful electrical currents to launch projectiles at mind-blowing speeds, reaching several times the speed of sound. Imagine a massive slingshot, but instead of using rubber bands, it uses electricity. The railgun accelerates projectiles between two conductive rays, making them incredibly fast and destructive. This allows it to hit targets far away with extreme precision. Plus, without using explosives, it's safer to handle and more reliable. The military is super excited about this because it promises to revolutionize long-range artillery. Just think about hitting a target miles away with pinpoint accuracy. How cool is that? Next up, check out the laser add-on. This high-tech system can destroy drones mid-air using a laser beam. Yes, you heard that right, a laser beam. Just like in the movies, the laser add-on is perfect for defending military bases from drone attacks. It detects enemy drones, targets them, and zaps them with a powerful laser, turning them into smoking wreck in seconds. The precision and speed of the laser make it incredibly effective. It's a game changer for defending critical assets against airborne threats. Imagine watching this laser in action, taking out drone with ease. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Ever wanted to feel like a superhero? Exoskeletons might make that dream come true. These robotic suits enhance a soldier's strength and endurance. Imagine lifting heavy loads or running faster and longer without getting tired. Exoskeletons are designed to support natural body movements, making physical tasks much easier and less exhausting. They are also incredibly useful in rescue missions, allowing responders to move debris or carry injured individuals more efficiently. It's like giving soldiers superpower, making them stronger and more resilient. Think about being able to lift a huge weight with ease or running for miles without breaking a sweat. Pretty amazing, right? Hyper-velocity projectiles are designed to be fired at extremely high speed. These projectiles can penetrate the thickest armor before the enemy even know what's happening. Thanks to their extreme speed, they reach the targets more instantaneously, making defense nearly impossible. This gives armored force a huge advantage, allowing them to strike swiftly and effectively. It's a major leap forward in artillery technology, combining speed and power for maximum impact. Picture a projectile traveling so fast that it hits its target before anyone can react. Talk about impressive! Meet the Smart Rifle, a futuristic weapon that's set to change the game for soldiers. Equipped with advanced sighting system, this rifle helps soldiers aim with incredible precision. Some models can even adjust the trajectory of bullets mid-flight to ensure every shot hits its mark. It's like having an AI assistant that helps you aim better and shoot more effectively. This technology ensures that soldiers can perform at their best, even in challenging conditions, making every shot count. Imagine having a rifle that helps you hit your target every single time. How awesome is that? Hypersonic missiles are insanely fast, flying at speeds above Mach 5. This means they can breach enemy defenses before anyone can react. These missiles are nearly impossible to intercept due to their incredible speed. They can hit targets at great distance in record time, making them extremely effective for precise and rapid strike. This technology is a game changer, giving armed forces a significant tactical advantage. Imagine launching a missile that reaches its target almost instantly. Its speed and power combined like never before. Finally, let's talk about optical camouflage. This tech is straight out of science fiction. It uses advanced technologies to make soldiers or vehicles nearly invisible by blending into their surroundings. Think of it like a high-tech chameleon skin, allowing soldiers to disappear from enemy view. This makes ambushes and infiltration much easier and more effective. It's a revolutionary technology that could dramatically change the way military operations are conducted, giving force the element of surprise. Picture being able to blend into any environment and move undetected.